A little context if you care to listen. I've signed myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, done decision. And I don't wanna feel how my heart is ripping. In fact, I don't wanna feel, so I'll stick to sipping. And I'm out on the town with a simple mission. In my little black dress and the shit is sitting. Like you, like you. Last night, yeah, peace with the things you can't change. Last night, when I leave, and I was naked when I came. Out of reach, out of touch, too numb, I don't feel no way. So stuck, so what? Streets fall, but it go both ways. So, you never escape. Sunset in the rain. Give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, anything please, doctor, have mercy on me. Heartbroken bitch, high heels, 6-inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with in the back of the taxi, sniffing cocaine. Drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who's on the same page. Back to the intro, back to the bar, to the Bentley, to the hotel, to my old place. I don't know where the fuck I am when who's driving the fucking car, speeding down the highway, sipping, mixing pills at the liquor car, fuck peace thing. I left everyone I love on red, spilling secrets to the stranger in my bed. I remember nothing, so there's nothing to regret. Other than this awful kick drum.
I'm looking for a shotgun rider to sit right beside her and drive. I'm looking for a shotgun rider to have a little fun tonight. I was sitting at the bar, checking out the band, and you gave me a smile and you took my hand. We danced nice and slow. Walked to my ride, I held you in my arms and we were